This is Kellie Nightlinger with Wild Woman Outdoors here at the Chilkoot Trail, and as you can see below here we've got quite an icy staircase, and I just about took a free ride down to the bottom of the mountain a few minutes ago. I've had 4 knee surgeries and I love to adventure, so in situations like this I'm going to go very, very slowly. So hopefully you safely watch me climb down. Otherwise, maybe you'll see the end result of a slip, who knows. But I don't let these types of things stop me. A little obstacle, a little slow, methodical thinking. Usually I can get through just about any problem that presents itself to me. And I love to use nature's branches and plant life for handles. So until next time, get outdoors and go wild.